Good afternoon, y'all. I'll wait till some people come on. Hey, y'all. Okay, I see y'all on here. So let me go ahead and see who's on here. I'm not going to make a long video because I'm only here to make an announcement. Okay. Trying to look at my videos, see who's on here on the stream. Forget it. Okay. All right. I don't know who's on here, but whoever's on here, tell me if you could see in the description box the links, which I am offering a gift to all my fellow YouTubers and subscribers. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Like, comment, and subscribe. But click on the link below. Some of you may know I work with TurboTax, Intuit TurboTax from home. And I am offering to share the link to give you a 20% discount on any TurboTax product. Now, I don't know what all of y'all situations are, but for those who are Uber, Lyft, independent contractors, you could get, and if you choose to do TurboTax or do your taxes yourself, or if you wish for me to assist you in your tax returns, you could get TurboTax products 20% off its price. So if you are a independent contractor for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Grubhub, self-employed, that program could be anywhere from $140 something, $99, whatever it is. I can't remember the prices, but click on the link below. You could get TurboTax product for free, not free. You can get it for 20% off the price. If you go to Walmart or Office Depot, and you would also see the downloads CD on sale, and it could be pretty expensive. It's very pricey. So for those who wish to get the discount, please click on the link. You could choose which product you wish to go with, whether you just answer some questions if you own a home, or you're a small business, or you're independent contractor. The one I will be using for myself is going to be home and small business. And it also includes, with the small business, it may include QuickBooks. So just go ahead, click on the link for TurboTax. You get 20% off the product. The other one is, the second link is Stride. Stride also is a free, let me see. Oh, okay. Stride is also free to keep track of your miles. And one thing that's good about Stride is that Stride will keep track of your expenses, your mileage, and at the end of the year, or the end of the tax year, it could also be downloaded into a PDF file with categorize all your expenses. Now, I know that it will be good for those to use for this year. So when next year comes, you can keep track of it. There are other applications as well, My IQ and some other ones, but Stride also includes a lot of good tips in regards to tax questions, and they also have a help link that you could always ask a question about tax matters, not detailed, but of course, let me go on my Stride. I've been using Stride for all of last year now. Some, I don't know, y'all can see that. Y'all can't see that. So what Stride is something that most of you should be familiar with, is a company where you could use to keep track of your mileage, your expenses, and they also had spoke about offering dental insurance, vision insurance, health insurance, and they have a resource center. And Stride was a company that first started out offering insurance of some sort. It was something I read about Stride. But anyways, click on the link for Stride and download the app. You keep track of your miles. So far, I've kept track of my miles. I already downloaded all of my expenses from last year. So it's very good. And that's free. And it's a good app to use. So, all right, y'all. If you have any questions about the TurboTax product or which one you wish to use, if you wish to buy it, and those who wish to do their own taxes, and you are very comfortable doing your taxes, to be honest with you, it is an excellent product. I've used TurboTax for years, and you know, if I had to choose which one was the best, that would be the best. For those who may not have an accountant, or if you choose to go to an accountant, a lot of times, a lot of people say, well, I have a family friend who's been doing it for years and etc. But I know sometimes loyalty to people, especially when they are friends or family members who've been doing taxes for years, you really want to not hold loyalty of friends to do your taxes because they've been doing it for years. Because it takes a lot of education, it takes a lot of knowledge, and you don't really want to be loyal to people who are friends just because they do taxes and you don't really know their background. A lot of times people get too emotional with people with handling, oh, but my friend, they do it. Now, if you're my friend and you know I worked for the Internal Revenue Service for over 10 years, and you know my background in regards to the training that I've done. You know, like I said, I'm a technical product support specialist for TurboTax. So, and my educational background, you know, I could provide transcripts and actual documentation of my experience, you know. So, like for instance, let me go and get it. See? I don't know, y'all can even see this. Now you know why I even take out the papers. Yeah, y'all won't be able to see y'all won't be able to see it. Too much light. But anyways, nevertheless, okay, I'll show you. Look at all these resources. You know, look at this. Oops, wrong side. Look at this. Federal taxation. You know, look at all this. All these studies, research, you know, federal taxation. All of that. All those are, you know, all of that information. So anyway, but just go ahead. If you want to purchase the product and you say, you know what, I've done my taxes on my own, and you've been going to the store, or you've been going online and purchasing at full price. So take advantage of the 20% discount. And most of you could choose the one that says small business. And that is an excellent product. And it also gives you a lot of good, valuable information, because you want to educate yourself. You know, even if you don't feel comfortable doing your taxes yourself, TurboTax has really provided a service where it could really be done by yourself. Don't fall for the commercials where they, you know, they make it seem like it is so complicated that you got to spend $400 or $500 to do your taxes. You know, that's not really necessary. Not for a regular common person. If you're a corporation, you know, billion-dollar corporation, million-dollar corporation, and you just have an LLC and you file quarterly taxes, yes, that's the purpose of having an accountant. But for majority of people, the small business owner, or even the, you know, the typical Uber or Grubhub or one of these ride-sharing gig personnels, you don't really need to go to someone and spend $300-400, because that's what they're going to charge you. I'm going to tell you that right now. $300-400 just for the Schedule C. That's what they're going to pay. I already looked it up. But for those who wish to say, you know what, I want to do it myself, go ahead and order the TurboTax link. Click on the link, you get 20% off. You could choose many different products. You know, if you have a simple return, very, very simple return, you know, you go to irs.gov, and you can also go online and use the free version of federal tax. But TurboTax will let you start your return for free, and anything extra, they will let you know. It will be told to you as you go through it. But if you still wish to use my services, I'll be here to provide the service, and I'm here to help. So I know some of you may have time. You may not have as much time to do your return. You know, you're working. You may not have anything organized. You may not have all your documents. You don't know where to start. Even if you say, okay, I could do it myself. Even if you have someone to do it for you, and you have someone you go to them, you have to have the documents to give them. The only way how someone can help you is by you knowing what to give. What do you supply to the person to do it? It's organization. Simple. It's a simple thing of organization. You know, it's not about just getting all the 1099s. Yeah, you get the 1099s, but what about all the business tracking expenses, record keeping? That's the most important thing, is educate yourself in terms of what you're going to do this year. So go ahead and do the other link, the Stride app. And like I said, you can keep a track on your phone. Every time you have an expense, whatever you pay for, you add it on the Stride app, add expenses, you know, if it's necessary or part of your business. And that's going to be my video tip for Tuesday. So watch out for that video when I do my, it's not going to be a live version. It's going to be taped. And therefore, I will be going on to a series of videos every Tuesday And every Thursday is going to be live stream where people get to ask the questions that they need to. So anyway, this video is not going to be long. So enjoy the free gift of 20% for the TurboTax product. If you have any questions about the different products or the TurboTax product or even the Stride app, let me know in the comments below. And I will talk to y'all later.